Hello, Touchstone family. I'm here to talk about Mental Health Awareness Week and specifically about loneliness, as that is the theme this year. And it's an interesting one for me because if I was asked to do this video a year ago, 2 years ago, 6 months ago even, it would have been really difficult for me. And as you know, I'm not backwards in coming forwards when it comes to making a video and talking about myself. But it would have been really tough because I was very, very lonely. That was one of the things that I found most difficult about my life after my marriage ended, and I lost a lot of sort of key family members and friends who, you know, people take sides at the end of relationships, and I lost a lot at that time. I kept this though, which made all the difference. But excuse me, Minnie. So, yeah, loneliness was really, really hard. And what was the hardest thing for me is the amount of shame that I felt around it. I felt really embarrassed about it, and I was really, really horrible to myself about it. I used to call myself a loser, and it was not good. But I felt a lot of shame and embarrassment about being as lonely as I was and living up here, living alone for the first time, being away from family and really good friends, and then the pandemic coming. But now I have company all the time in this one, but also, and this is really important, I've learned how to reach out and connect with people and be honest, and I think that makes a huge difference. It's no secret that I work a 12-step program, and that has a massive impact on feeling connected to others and being able to be honest when I'm struggling, when I do feel a bit lonely, is really, really important, and it gives me that support network. Cultivating friendships is massive, putting myself out there. I don't do social media because it doesn't do anything for me, doesn't do anything good for me. And I'm very lucky that I have my work, and that's something that makes me feel really, really connected, and things like this even help me feel connected. So I think loneliness can feel a bit taboo. I know for me it was certainly something that I didn't want to admit. I could admit I was anxious, depressed, heartbroken, whatever, but saying I was lonely made me feel really, really vulnerable. But actually, I've said it before, vulnerability is a real strength, and being able to talk about these things makes all the difference. So thank you very much for listening, and I hope you all have a really great Mental Health Awareness Week. Take care.